How to delete Booking.com listing. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to delete your property from Booking.com, so it's best to do it from computer as a mobile app is not suitable for this process. First of all, log into Booking.com extranet at admin.booking.com. Once you're logged in, click on the inbox option that is between the boost performance and guest reviews. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu, click on Booking.com messages. When that page loads, look for the option at the bottom right that says See Contact Options. Click on that and a menu will open on the right side. Select the last option, which is Account. In the next menu, choose Terminate Contract, which is the second last option. You will then see a prompt asking if you want to terminate your contract. If you do, click the button to confirm. Next, select the reason that best applies to your situation and then select Next. Again, choose Appropriate option and then click on Next again. Now check this box and then tap on Terminate My Contract highlighted in red color. After this, you will see a message stating that you have requested to terminate your contract with Booking.com. Please note that it can take up to 14 days to complete the termination process, but in my experience, it usually takes 2 to 3 days for them to confirm that your property has been removed. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.